Hi everyone, my name is Kaye Ramos and welcome to my channel where I share tips to help you gain clarity and purpose as you get closer to Jesus. So this September, I am starting a journaling video series. I already shared beginner's tips for journaling from my previous video. So if you haven't seen it yet, make sure to check it out. In today's video, I would like to share some reasons why you should journal or the benefits of journaling. Many great people in the past, such as Benjamin Franklin, Theodore Roosevelt, Mark Twain, and Anne Frank, are known for keeping a journal or diary. They did not only benefit from writing in their journals, but also other generations after them benefit from their wisdom and experiences. If that does not inspire you to keep a journal, maybe these following benefits will. First benefit, journaling keeps a record of important memories and life lessons that you have. Maybe you've tried journaling when you were young, just like writing in a form of diary. I know I did it, and it always amazes me years later to read all the things I wrote. They may seem petty at my age, but when I read them again, they bring back tons of memories that I have already forgotten. Journaling will also help you gain more insights about yourself while you are writing, and a few years later when you read them again. I know I always experience those feelings or insights. Second, journaling makes your goals and dreams clear. Sometimes we are hesitant to share our goals or whatever we have in mind for fear of being judged by other people. Maybe you want to venture out on something and you are scared of being judged. You can write those secret aspirations, dreams, visions in your trusted journal. This will help you gain clarity as you write and reflect at the same time. It will also help keep your life organized and track of the things that you would like to do. So by writing things down, you are being reminded of your goals so you can better focus on what it is you want to achieve in life. Third benefit, journaling helps to release and process your emotions. When you go to a therapy session, a therapist would sometimes tell you to speak out what's inside you. And it's like a journaling. I compare it with journaling. You simply write whatever it is in your mind, and you can be raw and vulnerable without the fear of judgment. When I moved to a different country, I underwent a series of anxiety and depression. I didn't have anybody to talk to. I was alone most of the time. Keeping a journal helped me to process those emotions. Every time I feel a little bit under the weather, I always write whatever I feel. It is like shouting at the top of the mountain and simply releasing whatever I feel at the moment. So, as you do consistent journaling, you will find that the negative thoughts do not have the power over you. As you write them on the paper, you can see them clearly and face head on. My fourth benefit for you is journaling helps to organize your thoughts. Remember that you don't need to be a writer in order to organize your thoughts. If you want to gain more clarity with your days, writing things down can help you see your plan clearly. Sometimes we feel scattered, and when you feel that, look for a quiet space where you can do a brain dump of what's in your head. You can write whatever it is in your mind until you can no longer think of anything to write. You can also reflect on certain aspects of your life. You can have different journals for different reasons. For my brain dump, I only use one notebook for any subject I want to write. You can also keep track of whatever it is you want to track and just write it down on your journal or your notebook. There are different journals out there, and you can even create some for yourself. You can keep a habit tracker to track your habits. You can keep a gratitude journal to count your blessings each day. You can keep a prayer journal to remind you to pray always. I actually designed several journals, and hopefully I can make them available in my shop soon. If you are interested, don't forget to check the description box for the link. Keeping a journal is like having a personal accountability partner. When you see it on your bedside table or workspace, it reminds you to pick it up and write something. It also helps to appreciate the things around you. Fifth benefit of journaling, journaling helps you to learn from your own self. You will not only reap the benefits of journaling as you write. Just like the great people in the past, you can actually benefit from your journaling years later. When you read them again, you will be reminded of all the life lessons that you learned and even from the mistakes you had. It will remind you of all the blessings you had, and you will see how you went through obstacles and how you were able to overcome them. You will be reminded of your goals and dreams again. From my experience, I am always amazed by many life lessons I learned from my journals, even when I wrote them few years ago. I could see the prayers I lifted to God and how He directed me in making big decisions with confidence, such as getting married, moving to a different country, purchasing our house, and other more, because I could clearly see them on paper and I know that I have prayed for them thoroughly. I can also easily write an article only by getting bits and pieces from all those journals, just like when I was writing on medium.com. So the benefits of journaling are more than this. I cannot fit all of them in one video, but I challenge you to start one now, or if you put it on vacation mode, maybe this is the time to do it again and repeat, and reap the benefits once more. So that's it for today, guys. I hope that this video inspires you to start journaling. If you find this video helpful or inspiring, don't forget to like it, and I would appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. Again, this is Kaye Ramos, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys again next time. Bye!